India created world record, won their first gold medal at the Asian Games 2023. Indian men's rifle team clinched the top prize in men's 10-meter air rifle team event. The Indian shooters Divyansh Panwar, Aishwary, Pratap, Singh, Tomar and Rudrankksh Patil finished with a score of 1,893.7 and also shattered the world record with jaw-dropping performances at the 10-meter range. Rudraksh scored 632.8, while Tomar shot 631.6 and Divyansh scored 629.6. Rudrankksh and Tomar have also qualified for the individual events final. However, Divyansh misses out as only 2 shooters from India could advance to the final. Individually, Rudraksh finished in 3rd place overall, while Tomar took the 5th spot and Divyansh finished at 8. Only the top 8 athletes from the team's event reached the individual finals, and despite being 8th, Divyansh misses out.